today's Monday, but over the weekend we had like a winter freeze, winter storm, so we had a lot of sleet and ice and a little bit of snow in the area. And so all my classes for today and tomorrow either got cancelled or moved online, so I'm really happy about that. Today I only have one class, which is genetics, and genetics, my professor just posted videos of her teaching, like MP4 players of her teaching, and so hopefully those won't take very long. And other than that, I think I don't have any classes today, so I'm just going to be doing other stuff in my room, getting food with my friends and stuff like that. But I'm not sure about tomorrow because none of my professors for tomorrow, which is Tuesday's classes, I have 4 classes, none of them reached out and said anything about what we're going to do, so I don't know there. I'm still breaking out in my chin, so I'm going to put this sensitive skin tested cream. It's called Ashiwon cream in Korean. So I'm going to put this on. I don't know if it's really been helping, but I feel like it's because I'm lacking moisture in my face. Because sometimes when I don't have moisture, I tend to break out. I came back to my own room and I did a lot of work. I finished all my English assignments, I finished my genetic, the notes, everything, the online stuff that she provided us to do. I went over my OChem notes and now I'm going to practice problems. So today's been a really productive day. And I also played an hour and a half of Wua, which is Weathering Waves, and I really like playing that game. And so I'm really happy that I got a new phone and my phone is able to support it better now. So very happy day. And I am currently just listening to a YouTube audio thing and just doing OChem practice problems now. So
there's a tail shop.
going out to get lunch with my friends, and today I'm just wearing my white puffer with the white shirt, and for once I'm wearing shorts. I really want to wear shorts, and the weather is like finally above freezing, so I decided that I'm just going to wear shorts today.
Right. And so we want to be thinking about
So I finished my online courses, and now I'm going to do some homework for my genetics class that my professor assigned. It's due on Friday, but I just want to get them over with right now so I have like time to do other stuff on the weekend. I hate like sometimes when I talk, I have a double chin. No. I don't like it when you comment. Good morning. Today is Thursday, and I didn't film Wednesday because I just didn't feel like it and I didn't do anything that day. But today classes got canceled again, and so I have another day of online lectures.
these. It's the queen bee, and I'm not going to tell you right now. I have the slide with her.
Today is... Oh my gosh! Okay, so the reason why I was like, oh my gosh, was because today's my mom's birthday, and I actually kind of forgot. Like, I looked at the calendar and I was like, oh, I can't believe I forgot, because I am usually really good about my parents' birthday, but for some reason today just slipped for me. But today's Friday, January 30th, and I have another day of no classes because I purposely made my Fridays free. And campus is open today, so at least I can get like good food and not just dining hall food, thank God. Dining hall food isn't bad, but sometimes like if you just eat the same thing over and over again, you get pretty tired of it. But today I am just going to be like studying, cleaning my room, doing laundry and stuff like that.
Love yourself.
We finally finished the show!